Hi there, welcome to another video of Just Being Earnest. With working from home expected to become the new normal in the current situation, you will want to have to set up your home office to be as similar to your work office. This allows you to feel as though you are going to work even though physically you are at home. By creating an environment that maybe is close to your work office, this will help to keep you focused and perform better. Hence, in today's video, I'm going to share with you what are the 6 essential things to have for your work from home office. Before I start, hope you can give a like for this video and also subscribe to my channel. The most basic thing to have for your workstation at home is a desk. You might be thinking that any table will work, but it's actually important to get a proper office desk. This is due to the features and setup of the desk that provides you with ample workspace and looks great too. Here are some sample desks from IKEA. Having a good office chair is crucial as you're probably going to be spending most of the time on it, and you want to make sure that you're seated on one that has the cushion to save your butt. Also, take note to have those that comes with armrests and also headrests as well. Those features will definitely make you feel a lot more comfortable during work. Here are some office chairs from IKEA. Having good lighting is important since you're going to be spending long hours staring at the screen. With good lightings, your eyes will not feel tired and painful easily and keeps you going longer. These are the table lamps that you can get, and you can consider getting those funky looking designs. With work mostly done on the laptop, using the mousepad on the laptop is great unless if it's for a long period. Then using a mouse will be better as it's more ergonomic as it reduces the pressure on your wrist and decreases muscle strain. That's why getting a good ergonomic mouse is good for you even though it's slightly more expensive than normal mouse. Here are some ergonomic mouse from Shopee. For me, I definitely have to use monitor when doing work, especially doing video editing or looking at huge data on spreadsheets. For monitor, I've read good reviews about Prism Plus monitors, and although I do not have their products, if I'm looking to get a replacement for mine, I'll definitely look into theirs. Here are some customer photo reviews and you can see how awesome looking their monitor setup are. If you still prefer looking at laptop screen instead of monitor, then be sure to get a laptop stand. It helps you to work in an ergonomic manner that reduces strain on your neck, eyes, and also prevents your laptop from overheating. Here are some laptop stands you can get from Shopee. And that's all for the 6 essential things to have for your work from home office. Hopefully through this video, I've helped you to have some ideas on how your ideal workstation at home should look like. It basically allows you to work as comfortably as possible and minimizes any strains on your eyes or body. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you learned something new today. Do give a like and subscribe to my channel. Also do check out the links in the description for our blog. I'll be creating videos about personal finance, lifestyle, company reviews, investment, and side hustles. You can also let me know what you want to watch, and who knows, I may do a video about it. Have a great day ahead and bye bye.